that support your baby's healthy growth and development. One of the most significant benefits is its ability to boost your baby's immune system. Breast milk contains antibodies that act like tiny warriors, fighting off infections and keeping your baby healthy, especially in the early months. Breast milk also promotes optimal digestion. It contains prebiotics that encourage the growth of healthy bacteria in your baby's gut, reducing gas, constipation, and diarrhea. This contributes to a happy and comfortable tummy for your little one. Moreover, studies have shown that babies who are breastfed have a lower risk of developing certain health conditions later in life, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and some childhood cancers. Breastfeeding isn't just beneficial for your baby, it offers numerous health advantages for mothers as well. It's a win-win situation for both of you. One of the immediate benefits is its role in postpartum recovery. When you breastfeed, your body releases hormones like oxytocin